Here's a 2012 Chrysler Town & Country. Combining family needs with premium comfort, this Town & Country is the family hauler you'll trust for the long haul. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control. You connect with Bluetooth, leather bucket seats, multi-speed automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, Park View Park Assist, and V6 engine. New Car Test Drive reports the Town & Country is a great vehicle for families that need to haul kids and cargo on a regular basis. Chrysler, where bold ideas merge with brilliant innovation. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.